a lifeline for its 240 million people, and its availability will be safeguarded at all costs. Any attempt to stop or divert the flow of water belonging to Pakistan, as per the Indus Water Treaty, and the usurpation of the rights of lower riparian will be considered as an act of war and responded with full force across the complete spectrum of national power. Noting the reckless and irresponsible behavior of India, which disregards international conventions, UN Security Council resolutions, and international obligations at will, Pakistan shall exercise the right to hold all bilateral agreements with India, including but not limited to similar agreement in abeyance till India desists from its manifested behavior of fomenting terrorism inside Pakistan, transnational killings, and non-adherence to international law and UN resolutions on Kashmir. Pakistan shall close down the Wagah border post with immediate effect. All cross-border transit from India through this route shall be suspended without exception. Those who have crossed with valid endorsement may return through that route immediately, but not later than 30th April 2025. Pakistan suspends all visas under SAARC visa exemption scheme issued to all Indian nationals and deems them cancelled with immediate effect, with the exception of Sikh religious pilgrims. Indian nationals currently in Pakistan under SAARC visa exemption scheme are instructed to exit within 48 hours, less Sikh pilgrims. Pakistan declares the Indian Defence, Naval and Air Advisors in Islamabad persona non grata. They are directed to leave Pakistan immediately, but not later than 30th April 2025. These posts in the Indian High Commission are deemed annulled. Support staff of these advisors are also directed to return to India.